everyone, Brooke here. I just wanted to come through and send a quick video and share a bit about what we've been seeing lately. So first of all, the big news everyone's been talking about, the RBNZ has dropped down the official cash rate. So we now are down to 3.75%. What does that even mean for us? So what that means is that we're starting to see rates reduce. We're starting to see our floating rates have all reduced down. We've also started to see fixed rates reduce. We've seen the big exciting 4.99 at 2 years rate. I wouldn't get too excited about this unless you have a chat to us, because we do expect to see rates continue to go down within the next announcements over the next few months. In terms of floating, do I float? Do I fix? Do I split my loan? What should we do? Always recommend having a chat to us before you accept any of those online rates. I have had a few conversations in the last few weeks about clients accepting rates and then wanting to change it around and then wait for the new rates that come out. So obviously banks change rates all the time. No one has a crystal ball, but we definitely want to have a plan for your situation and make sure that if you are doing anything like fixing in for 2 years, you don't have any plans to sell, or you don't have any plans to take advantage of refinancing or anything like that, because that would be breaking the loan. Other pieces that we're seeing at the moment through the market. So we have noticed that property prices are still they haven't quite rebounded yet, but we do expect them to go up a bit. So when you have rates go down, you'll have normally a bit more demand, more people that can afford and are in the market, which pushes property prices up. So if you are looking to buy a property, I wouldn't wait too long. I would probably move that sooner rather than later. Otherwise, you may be priced out later on. So those properties that you're looking at, you may not be able to afford those anymore. Other exciting news, a lot of the banks have reduced their test rate. What does that mean? That means that before, let's say 6 months ago, you may not have been able to borrow what you wanted to. So you may not have been able to get the loan amount. And now with that reduced test rate, we are noticing that clients can wiggle out a little bit more so they can get, possibly get more equity out of their house or buy a home for a little bit more than they could before. And we've also been looking at things like, do I fix, do I float, do I split my loan? Now, if you are you looking to purchase, or you have your rate coming up, now's a good time to have a chat to us, like I said, before you move on and make any decisions. Another piece is we have been talking to clients about their budgeting. So it's always a good time at the beginning of the year. I noticed that I either catch people at the beginning of the year, otherwise I don't really talk to them till the end of the year. And they go, "Oh, Brooke, I wish I had have done that. You told me to do that last year and I didn't do it." And one piece that I am really noticing is insurances. So usually with people, there's two big expenses that goes out. It's your mortgage or your rent, and then it's your insurance. So insurances have been like skyrocketing, what I've been noticing. So I've got clients that I spoke to maybe 6 months ago, and their insurance has shot up. So they're spending a lot of money to go out. This is the time when I would sit down, I would look through the policy and we'd get that reviewed for you. So if you have one in place right now, flick it through to me and I can get someone to have a look at it for you. And we'll just make sure that you're getting the right cover in place for what you're paying for, and also B, that you're paying the right amount and that you haven't kind of just watched it go past like a lot of people I've noticed have recently. So just a little tip there. But yeah, as always, if you have anything that you would like to know about, if you have any friends or family that you would like to have someone in their corner looking after their finances and their mortgages and things like that, send them through. I do notice I have actually spoken to someone and gave me some feedback recently, which was fantastic, that they didn't realize that we look after everything else. They thought that we only look after the one property sale that we did with them last year. So no, so we can look after everything. We can look after your existing mortgages, your home loans coming up, wanting to buy an investment property, business lending, you want to buy a car, anything like that. Commercial lending, we do a lot with commercial lending at the moment as well. And if you have any need for non-bank, so I work quite closely in the non-bank space, which is things like pretty much applications that don't fall into the main bank space, as that's what we can help with as well. So I hope you found that helpful. If you would like and you're not already, please follow me on my socials. That's where I put up little videos about what's been going on, what we're seeing, what to be aware of. So I'll put them all below in this newsletter, but that's Instagram, Loan Market Brooke AB, or Facebook, which is Loan Market Brooke Armstrong-Bartrum, so my full name. And that's where I'll post bits and pieces, and you can kind of learn a little bit about what's going on at the moment and what we're seeing in the market. So hope you found that helpful. It's been lovely to catch up with everyone, and hope you have a beautiful rest of February. And I will see you all next month in March. Thanks, everyone. Bye.